everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw this really cute flamingo. I'm starting by drawing the beak, so I'm drawing a curved shape and bringing it back in with another curve, and then I'm starting by drawing a circle shape. But after drawing the semicircle, I'm going to bring it down with a straight line, and then on the other side it's going to look like I'm trying to finish the circle, but then I'm going to bring it down following the other line that I drew. For the body, I'm drawing a curved shape, and then I'm joining both ends together. For the first leg, I'm just drawing two straight lines downwards and adding the foot at the end, and for the second leg I'm going to draw a triangle shape, and then I'm going to continue on the other side of the first leg to add the foot. I'm drawing a big circle in the head for the eye. There's only one eye on this one because the other eye would be on the other side. And I'm adding a little eyebrow and really big eyelashes. I'm adding a little detail on the nose and some kind of feathers for the wing. I'm drawing some water waves at the bottom. I'm then getting a black pen to fine line with, and I'm going over the eye with over all the pencil lines that we drew. Then using a black Sharpie, I'm colouring in the eye, but I'm leaving the two white circles. Pause this video now and go ahead and black line over all the pencil lines that we drew. Then using a rubber, rub out all the pencil lines that may be left underneath the black line. Got myself a baby pink and I'm colouring in the body and the head of the flamingo. I'm using an orange to colour in the legs and the top part of the beak, and I'm using a black Sharpie to colour in the bottom half of the beak. I'm then getting a blue to colour in the water. Got a darker pink, and I'm going to shade on the left side of all the areas that we coloured the light pink, and then I'll get a darker orange to shade the legs. finished Flamingo. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Bye!